This is my Acer R11, and I'm doing a short video about how you can possibly run uh, newer versions of Chrome browser, or at least a newer browser, on an old machine like this. This Acer R11 is from 2016, and I think it ended support in around 2022. It's now 2024, so it hasn't been updated for quite some time. They say in general, if you're running an outdated browser like this, you can see it's running 103, and right now we're up to a current version right now is 127, so it's already off by 24 versions. You can still browse websites perfectly fine, but in terms of maybe like safety wise, against, let's say, spyware or whatever, it might be nice to update your browser to run on something newer. So this assumes that you might have Play Store access over here. You can see over here at Play Store. I'm going to go ahead and click on it and show you that I've looked up Chrome. You can see a Chrome browser over here. And originally I had Chrome on here and it said it was incompatible. But you can try installing Chrome Beta. And when I installed Chrome Beta, you can see it says it's installed already. And this is from the Play Store. Here's Chrome Beta over here that I've already installed. So let me load it up. Loads up. And so when I go to click on the three dots and go into, how do I get settings? Go to settings and scroll to the very end about Chrome. You can see that I'm able to run Chrome 128, which is, of course, the beta version, but technically speaking, it's a bit more newer. It's definitely newer. It's versus my old Chrome from my Chromebook. Instead of running Chrome 103, I can use the mobile version, 128. So that's kind of convenient. Again, you can go back over here. If you can't do Chrome Beta, you could try using Firefox. So any of the mobile browsers that are available through Play Store, you can try. Edge I don't think will let me install, or it runs an old version. You can see it says it's not compatible. So there's no way to run Edge, which is fine with me. You can try to run Opera, but I think it's using a pretty old browser. For some reason, it's not giving me the latest browser. Instead of using Chrome, I noticed that I could also use Brave browser. You can see I've installed it here. And if I go to Brave, let's load it again. So this is Brave browser. If I go to three dots over here and I go to settings and I scroll down to about Brave, you can see that I can run Chrome browser 127. So just a short video. If you have access to Play Store on your old Chromebook, then you can actually install the mobile phone tablet browser. And for Chrome, I installed Chrome Beta because it would only let me install Chrome Beta through Play Store over here. And then and if you don't have access to Chrome Beta, then maybe you can try doing Brave browser over here. Now hopefully it's in what's it called, the Play Store for you. So that's it. There's a short video about that in case you want to run a more up-to-date browser. It still might not run as well as the Chrome browser because you're running it in technically an emulated state through the Play Store, but still maybe nice to have the newer and possibly a safer version of the browser, Chrome browser. That's it.